Are you also running a business where you want to add your system.io contacts to Zoho CRM? Then I have brought this amazing video for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can integrate your system.io account with Zoho CRM. So now let me firstly show you how this automation is going to work in real time, which I have built in using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business or work. So right here I'm on the form of my system.io account. So here I'm going to fill this, providing the first name of my user as Smart, last name as user, and here I have entered the email address as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and here I have provided the phone number. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account to check whether we are receiving this lead over there or not. So here I'm on the contacts page of Zoho CRM, where I'm going to refresh this page, and as I have refreshed this page, I'm getting this user which I have recently created using my form of the system.io, and here you can check out all the details of my user, that is contact name is Smart User, its email address and its mobile number too. So now you have seen, as soon as I have filled my system.io form, the data of the lead is added to my Zoho CRM account. So now you can also create an amazing automation like this by just using Pabbly Connect. And not only these automations, you can build many more automations, as Pabbly Connect can integrate thousands of applications. So for creating this automation, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to type the URL of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Connect. 100 of free tasks means you can add the details of your 100 leads to Zoho CRM freely. And if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product, but I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans, as Pabbly Connect is currently offering you 100 free tasks. And now let's move on towards the workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my system.io account. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as system.io, but you can select the trigger app according to the workflow you are creating and from where you want to receive your leads. And here I have selected this application. Now let's select the app event as contact subscribe to a form, and now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between system.io and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my system.io account. So here I'm on the dashboard page of my system.io, and here you can see that I have created this funnel inside my system.io account, that is lead. And now I'm going to add automation rules for this particular funnel so that I can get the response. And here you can see I'm on the rules page of my system.io account, where I'm going to create a new automation rule. So for that I have selected this create button, and here I have to select my trigger, means which event is going to initiate my system.io. So here I'm going to select it as funnel step form subscribed, and here I'm going to choose the funnel which I have recently shown you created in my system.io account. Now let's select the funnel step as squeeze page, means this is the particular page through which I'm going to receive my leads, and the action which I'm going to perform is send to the webhook, means we are going to send that data to the Pabbly Connect, so Pabbly Connect can automate lead details. So here I'm going to select it as send webhook, and afterwards this is the place where we have to enter the webhook URL which we have recently received from the Pabbly Connect. And now we just have to save this rule, and here you can see that my rule has been created successfully. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. And here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new user over our system.io form. So for that, let's move on towards my form, where I'm going to fill all these details of my user. Again, providing the first name as demo, last name as user, and afterwards I'm going to provide the email address as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, and here I'm going to enter the phone number as well. And now we just have to submit this form by simply selecting this submit button, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this data or not, as we have recently built in the connection between system.io and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, where you can see I have received this response, that is response just now, and here you can check out all the details of my lead which I have recently filled. So now I'm going to use this response for adding the data in my Zoho CRM. So as we have received the response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now let's add our action app, that is the second principle of Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM, as I want to add the lead details in the Zoho CRM, and here I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as create contact. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page of Zoho CRM, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. And now let's click over this connect with Zoho CRM, and here we are getting this field which is asking me to enter the domain. So for getting the domain of your Zoho CRM account, you have to move towards the Zoho CRM, where you can see on the search bar we are getting this domain, that is zoho.com. So this is the domain required for building the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. So I have entered this domain. Now let's click over the save button, and as I have clicked over the save button, I'm going to just accept it and allow the access, as my data is 100% saved with Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting all these fields for entering all the lead details. So the first field we are getting is for entering the first name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the first name of my lead like this, but no, I'm not going to do it, because Pabbly Connect provides you a method by using which you don't have to manually type the data, as typing the data make it static. But by that method we are going to make all these fields dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single response received. And here I am going to map the first name. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the first name from the response which I'm receiving from system.io, as this is my previous step or previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is system.io. So from here I'm going to map the first name. So here I have mapped the first name, and now let's map the last name. So for that I'm going to use the response of system.io, and here I'm getting the last name which I have mapped. Now let's map the email address. So for the email address, I'm going to map this user's email, and now afterwards I'm going to map the mobile number of my lead from the response of my system.io, and here I'm getting the phone number which I have mapped. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single lead received from your system.io form. And now these fields are not necessary, so I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that a contact might be created in my Zoho CRM account. So now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM, where I'm going to refresh this contacts page, where we are going to get our new lead. And here you can see that I'm getting this lead which I have recently received by using the form of my system.io account, and here you can check out all its details, that is the contact name, email, and the mobile number. So now you have seen the working of this amazing automation which I have built in, and you have even seen how you can create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.